Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be doing a upgrade in the bathroom here. As you can see, these two mirrors, we're going to take them out and replace them, and I am going to be replacing them with Amorho backlit mirrors. Now you guys, if you want to see what we do concerning that, and I have one of my handy dandy helpers today, Miss TT, make sure you guys keep watching. And once again, you guys, this video is sponsored by Amorho LED mirror. And you guys, what's special about these mirrors is they have front and back light. I did order for this project here in this bathroom as 2 of the 32 by 40 inch mirrors. They're dimmable. They also have the defogger, and you get to control the light setting. Just see here, as you can see, that backlit light, and you guys, they do throw off a lot of light. Now here's that second one, you guys. We're gonna unbox it, and once again I have my niece and TT also assisted me, but we're just being very careful. And as you can see, my package did come pretty dinged up, but I was still glad to see that the mirrors were secured very greatly in the package with no damage to the mirrors. And I'm just going to unbox them and let you see. We have all our paperwork. They do send you your screws. They also send gloves to you as well for the installation of these mirrors. Now you guys, let me tell you a little bit about Amorho. They do sell on Amazon. I'm going to include their website link down in the description box. And you guys, they have a vast array of the LED mirrors. Now let me tell you guys, any LED mirror of this style, you guys, does tremendously, and I mean tremendously, elevate your space. They have them in this particular mirror actually had like 15 or 16 different sizes, but I just went with what was still a little bit bigger than what I previously had here in the bathroom. And as you see here, TT is showing you the different light settings, and we're going to show you that again once we get it installed. But you can dim and control the light. Once again, it does defrost as well. So if you want to elevate the look of your bathroom, you guys, make sure you do snag you some of these mirrors. Don't forget to hit my link down in the description. Now here, you guys, I'm just cutting around the mirror. Now this mirror here was actually put in the bathroom and it was glued on. I've taken down the other one, but as you see here with some work, and the trim around the mirror was actually nailed to the wall. So it was just a little bit of work, but I did get it done. So with that being said, just follow me along as we install these LED backlit mirrors. And now that I have the mirror down, you guys, I did not actually incur much damage pulling this mirror down, just these two spots. The other one came off clearly, and I'm just pulling off all of that glue. Here is my trim, and this is just my only damage I've done to the wall. We are going to be changing the light fixture, so you're gonna get to come back and see what we're doing. Now here, I'm just mounting my brackets for the mirrors. And you guys, my motto is measure once, measure twice, measure 3 times, so that when you put up something, you don't have to constantly put in a lot of holes. So I use my lever to make sure my mounts, because these mirrors does has to have the fasteners. So I'm making sure that it's level even before I actually drill my hole in for the fasteners. And I've done it for the other 3, and we're just getting ready to add the other one. And I will tell you, you know, guys, don't be afraid of the power tools. I'm gonna tell you, girls can use power tools as well. But I'm just putting that hole in so that we can put up this last bracket. Now, after drilling the hole, you guys, I'm taking those drywall anchors and just nailing them on into place. Now, they have several types of drywall anchors. And I will tell you guys, and this is just not only for mirrors only, but when you're hanging heavy items, not to compromise it being on the wall, I would tell you guys, don't just rely on nails alone, you guys, because you sometimes notice that it tears hole in your drywall, or over time, depending on the weight, you have the tendency for your item to fall, break, and tear. So we're hanging these mirrors, and we're going to hang here in my home, we hang everything the correct way so that we know for sure that it's not coming off of that wall. And once I get the anchors in, again, I'm doing another level. I'm actually leveling each one from one anchor to the next to make sure that my anchors are completely leveled all the way across. And once again, family, these double lights are super bright with the 2 built-in LED strips. These Amorho LED lighted mirrors gives you twice the light in your bathroom or whatever area you are actually placing them in. So you have no dark and no shadow spaces. Everything is super clear. And here I'm just looking at, because of the cords, I'm going to have to show you a hack, because it doesn't have the groove where the cord is actually flush with the back. This mirror is also shadow proof and corrosion proof, which the glass is armored glass, which means that it does not break easily. And I had to get a little slight dance in once I got that mirror hung, you guys. And the colors are also changeable, and the brightness is dimmable. This light has 3 different temperature settings: warm at 300K, natural light at 400K, and white at 600K. You can just easily control these by your 3 buttons that is actually your touch button on the front of the mirror. And now we're finishing hanging mirror number 2. And because I do have my cords here, I'm going to show you one of my hacks, tips, and tricks to hide that cord. Because it is and you got to make sure you're not catching that box back there. Make sure the bottom
smarter, not harder.
Out on the end.
Yes, y'all see how that just changed? It looks so good now. Work smarter, not harder.
That's right. Who says girls can't do it better?
Right.
What? And here, you guys, I'm just adjusting the lighting. That top light is your defrost, your other light is your power on, and your 3 color settings. And like you see, you guys, these mirrors are very easy to install with the fixed mirror hold on the wall by the screws, so that you can easily hang that mirror on the wall. And it also, you can actually hardwire these as well, which just requires just removing the plug. It's very simple and easy. These mirrors also has a 3-year warranty as well. You guys, these mirrors are extremely affordable through Amorho. Do make sure you do check out that link, that discount code down in the description. Go over to the website. The next video for the bathroom will be the lights. We're going to do the lights and a couple more things in here. But when we do that, we're going to wrap this up. So you guys, make sure you do check that link down in the description box. Hit that discount code. Go over to the website Amorho. I'm butchering their name, but all of that information is in the description and up on the screen. Go over to the website, snag you some beautiful mirrors to actually elevate any space. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see you guys in another mirror, house, home, DIY video coming. You guys have a blessed day.
Hallelujah.
And family, please don't forget to join Glam Queen of DIY. Her home is her tablescapes, Molux vlogs, and also her shorts. Thank you guys for your love and support.